Rain at night in Mapsa. Real monsoon rain. Waiting and waiting for the rain like this for days and days together. But at 9 p.m. on 29th June now, perhaps the monsoon is racing and racing to complete at least a reasonable record. That is, if we are below 19% deficit, we are within normal range. So it has to rain at least 150 millimeters more. And if it rains all night, then Mapsa can meet its deficit partially. I like the size of these streaks of rain. They are beautiful, they are necessary, they are wanted, they are welcome. We need this type of rain all over Goa continuously for at least 1 month. We cannot do away with monsoon. We need this rain. It is our life, our future. At 9 p.m. now I am recording this rainfall in Ansabad, Mapsa, and fortunately, despite strong wind, the clouds have decided to drop rain over our town here. Very, very high wind speed is there. Wind is trying to drive away, sweep away the monsoon clouds, but the rains are there. Covers are there, although the spell was not very long, around 10 minutes. I am happy that it discharged a lot of water over Mapsa town, which is required for the plants, gardens, vegetation, everything, for aquifers local, for flushing out dirt, all waste. It is necessary. It is necessary for smooth ecosystem functioning and services. The southwest monsoon of Asia is 2 million years old. 2 million years. And we are here as humans for only 0.3 million years or 300,000 years. So we do not know what was happening for 97,000 years. We don't know the history of monsoon before we came on this planet as Homo sapiens. So this monsoon is invigorating, recharging, replenishing. It will revive the nature, ecosystems, habitats, plants, vegetation, grasses, herbs, shrubs, crops. We need this monsoon the way it has been raining. We need this type of intense rainfall. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. We need the monsoon. And fortunately now at 9 o'clock I can experience here the real monsoon. The water is falling on my palm. It is a very cool feeling. It is falling from an altitude of 3 to 4 kilometers. Pure water, although there are impurities I have detected, including gold microparticles and lots of other materials, bacteria we have not identified, algal cells we have not identified, cyanobacterial cells, silica crystals from desert dust blown from Saudi Arabia, Iraq, Iran, all this. This is the beauty of monsoon, that it is a torrential rainfall. I have to now collect this rainwater sample for my analysis.